Hello, I am so happy you are here today. Do you know who the best people in your life are? Yes, your family. Do you want to speak English right now and tell people about your mother, your father, and your cousins? Maybe you think, I only know a few words. Do not worry. Stay with me until the very end of this video, and I will give you the simple English words. We will learn easy words for all your family. You will be able to speak about your home and your loved ones today. Let us start with the people who live in your house. This is your immediate family. First, we have your parents. Your mother. My mother is called Elena. She likes to read books. Your father. My father is called Leo. He likes to play music. Mother and father, these are your parents. Now, your siblings. A male sibling is a brother. My friend Sam has one brother. His brother is a student. A female sibling is a sister. My sister is named Mia. She likes to play outside. If you are a boy, you are a son. If you are a girl, you are a daughter. How many people are in your immediate family? Do you have a brother or a sister? Think about it for a moment. We must talk about the older members of the family. These are your parents' parents. They are your grandparents. Your mother's mother is your grandmother. Your father's father is your grandfather. Grandparents are very special. They have a lot of life experience. They know many things. They share stories from the past. This is important wisdom. Example, my grandfather, Paolo, taught me how to plant flowers in the garden. This was a wonderful lesson. Another example, my grandmother, Sophia, tells me stories about when she was a little girl. I learn a lot about history from her stories. Do you live near your grandparents? Do you visit them often? Sometimes family is very big. We call this the extended family. These people may not live with you, but they are important. Let us learn 3 key words for your extended family. Aunt, your mother's sister or your father's sister. My Aunt Clara likes to travel. She sends me postcards from different countries. Uncle, your mother's brother or your father's brother. My Uncle David is a cook. He makes very delicious food. Cousin, the child of your aunt or uncle. Cousins are often your first friends. You play together during holidays. I have 5 cousins. We all went to the park last weekend. We played a big game of soccer. We always laugh a lot when we are together. Do you have a big extended family? How many cousins do you have? In every family, each person has a role, a specific job. The roles help the family run smoothly. It is important that everyone helps. Let us look at some common roles. The provider. This person works to earn money for the family. We can say, my mother is an architect, or my father works at a factory. This person helps the family buy food and clothes. The caretaker. This person often takes care of the house. We can say, my mother takes care of the house, or my father manages the finances. And the children have roles too. These are tasks you do to help. My friend's name is Sarah. Her role is to wash the dishes after dinner. My role is to clean my room every Saturday morning. It is good to help out because it makes everyone's life a little easier. When everyone helps, the family is happy. What are your roles in your family? Families spend time together. We do fun things. These are family activities. We can talk about three main types of activities: daily activities, things you do every day. My family eats breakfast together before school. We watch the news on TV every evening. Weekend fun, things you do when you do not have work or school. On Sunday, we go for a long walk in the forest. We bake cookies every Saturday afternoon. Big trips, special activities like vacations. Last year, we went to the seaside for our summer vacation. We like to visit historical castles on our trips. Sharing these activities create wonderful memories. When you remember happy times, you feel close to your family. What activities do you enjoy doing with your mother or father? An important part of family life is traditions. A tradition is a special activity or event that your family does regularly, often every year or every holiday. It is passed down from your grandparents to your parents, and now to you. Traditions give the family a unique identity. Example 1. My friend Marco's family always makes pizza from scratch on New Year's Day. Everyone helps to mix the dough and add the toppings. This is a special tradition for them. Example 2. In my family, every birthday we sing a special birthday song that my grandmother taught us. No other family sings this song. These traditions are very important. They are the things that bring the family together and make them feel connected. What is one unique tradition in your family? Something only your family does. Family is the number one source of support. This means they are there to help you always, in good times and in difficult times. 1. Celebrating successes. When you do something good, your family celebrates with you. You get a promotion at work. Your sister calls you to say, "I am so proud of you." You finish a difficult course. Your parents take you out for a special ice cream. 2. Offering comfort. When you have a problem or feel sad, your family listens to you. Your friend is having a difficult day. You talk to your mother. She gives you a hug and says, "It's going to be okay." Your car breaks down. Your Uncle Leo comes immediately to help fix the car. Family support can be emotional, like listening, or it can be practical, like fixing a car. Both types of support are essential. Who do you talk to in your family when you need help? Every family teaches values. Values are the rules or beliefs that your family thinks are the most important. They shape how you act. Let us look at 3 common family values. Honesty. This is the value of always telling the truth. Your family teaches you that lying is not good. Example, I lost my phone. It was scary, but I was honest and told my father right away. He helped me find it. Kindness. This is the value of being nice and helpful to others. Example, my family always taught me to open the door for older people. This is an act of kindness. Respect. This is the value of treating everyone well, especially your elders, like your grandparents. Example, when my grandparents speak, I stop what I am doing and listen to them. This is how I show respect. Family values are like a compass. They guide you throughout your life. They help you make good choices. What is one value your family taught you? You spoke English today. You learned simple words for your family, their roles, and your traditions. You are doing an excellent job. Now, let's practice. Please write one new English word you learned from this lesson in the comments below. Tell me what word it is. And if you want to keep improving your English easily with me, please click the subscribe button right now. We will continue this simple learning journey together next time. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me. I will see you soon.